Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the headphones and device. First, plug the charger and top up to at least 20% so pairing won't drop. Once charged, press and hold the power button for about 1 to 2 seconds until the LED or voice prompt activates. This confirms power. Meanwhile, make sure Bluetooth on your phone or laptop is enabled and the device stays within roughly 3 meters. Doing these steps prevents interruptions and makes pairing predictable. Now you're ready to enter pairing mode. Once powered, put the headphones into pairing mode. Usually you hold the power button longer or press the dedicated pairing control until the LED flashes or a sound cues you. On your phone, scan Bluetooth devices and tap the Beats name to pair. Accept any prompts and allow audio and call access. After connection, open the device audio settings to set output for media and calls, tweak EQ for clearer bass or vocals, and confirm the microphone is the active input so calls sound. You now use the controls for play, pause, skip, and volume. Familiarize yourself with the specific button or touch gestures for your model so you don't fumble. To maintain sound quality, always store headphones in the case, keep them dry, and wipe pads with a soft cloth. This prolongs battery life. If audio cuts out or pairing fails, reset the headphones, choose Forget Device on your phone, then repair. Also check for firmware updates in the Beats or Device app. That fix resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.